In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee 2025. Step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up your shop, pick reliable suppliers, list products that sell, price correctly, and fulfill orders smoothly. First, create your Shopee seller account using the Shopee app or Seller Center. Tap Sign Up, register with your phone number or email, and complete verification with a valid ID. Add your bank account or e-wallet so Shopee can send payouts. Then set up your shop profile with a clear logo and description, and configure shipping settings that match how you plan to fulfill orders. Make sure your legal name matches your ID to avoid delays in verification. Next, head to Alibaba.com to find dropshipping suppliers. Search for the products you want to sell and filter for trade assurance, verified supplier, low minimum order quantity, and dropshipping support. Read supplier ratings and reviews, check how long they've been active, and look closely at product dimensions, weight, and materials. Lightweight items are cheaper and faster to ship, which helps your margins. Before committing, contact the supplier, ask if they support dropshipping and can ship one order at a time. Confirm. They can remove invoices, flyers, or branding from the package. Get a list of shipping options to your target country, typical delivery times, and processing times. Clarify what happens if an item is damaged or lost and who covers the cost. Choose products that are trending or in steady demand, are light and not fragile, have low competition on Shopee, and leave room for profit after fees. Accessories, home items, beauty tools, pet products, and phone accessories are popular categories. Check Shopee search results to gauge competition and average ratings, and avoid bulky or very breakable products when starting out. Create your listings in Shopee Seller Center by clicking Add New Product. Upload high-quality images, write a clear title with key keywords, add a thorough description, set the price, and configure variations like size and color. Include relevant search terms naturally in your title and description so buyers can find you. Set pricing by adding your product cost, shipping cost, and Shopee fees, then topping it with your desired profit. Keep it competitive, but leave a buffer for promos and currency fluctuations. When an order comes in, place the same order with your Alibaba supplier, enter your customer's shipping details accurately, and ask the supplier to ship. Upload the tracking number to Shopee and monitor it. Manage delivery by choosing faster shipping when sensible, tracking packages regularly, and updating customers proactively. Finally, handle customer service promptly. Answer messages, process refunds or returns according to policy, resolve issues quickly, and protect your shop ratings through clear communication. That's the workflow from start to finish. Follow these steps consistently and you'll be ready to launch and scale your Shopee dropshipping business.